Who's at that table there?
Don't look at them, just don't! We call those three the plastics. They're shiny, fake, and hard.
They play their little mind games all around the schoolyard.
They might insult your clothing or make fun of your name.
Like they mocked Jen Moorcock till she burst into flame.
And Miss Moorcock was a teacher.
Regina George is the queen bee. She's always dressed up. She always wins Spring Fling Queen. Or just drones who work for her, then die.
My name is Regina George, and I am a massive deal. Fear me, love me, stand and stare at me, and these are real. I've got money and looks. I am like drunk with power. This whole school humps my leg like a chihuahua. I'm the prettiest poison you've ever seen. I never weigh more than 115. My name is Regina George, and I am a massive deal. I don't care who you are. I don't care how you feel.
That's Gretchen Wieners. She knows everything about everybody.
That's why her hair is so big. It's full of secrets.
Yes, Regina, no, Regina. Every waking hour I spend making sure Regina George can stay in power. If Regina is the sun, then I'm a disco ball, cause I'm just as bright and fun. If you've had alcohol, I learn your secrets out of you and bring them to my master. Then I watch Regina make your life a big disaster. Regina is the queen, but I'm the head of worker bees, as I am seated at her right hand like a Jewish princess Jesus.
That is Karen Smith, the dumbest person you will ever meet.
I once saw her put a D in the word orange.
My name is Karen, my hair is shiny, my teeth are perfect, my skirt is tiny, it barely covers my perky hiney. My name is Karen, I may not be smart. That's it. Right. We never really do this, but how'd you like to have lunch with us this week?
Oh, it's okay.
No need for you to thank us. But there's no need to even speak. You're new and you don't know things. You need good friends who can tell you what to think.